Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the Christmas song Jolly Old St. Nicholas. As always, I'm going to play through the song for you first, and then after I play it I'm going to break it down and explain it to you in more detail. Make sure to stick around for that. For now, let me go ahead and play through the song for you.
Jolly old St. Nicholas, lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now you dear old man, whisper what you'll bring to me. Tell me if you can. When the clock is striking 12 and I'm fast asleep, down the chimney broad and black, with your pack you're free. All the stockings you will find hanging in a row. Mine will be the shortest one, you'll be sure to know. Johnny wants a pair of skates, Susie wants a sled, Ellie wants a picture book, yellow, blue, and red. Now I think I'll leave to you what to give the rest. Choose for me, dear Santa Claus, you will know the best.
Alright, for this song we're going to be using 5 chords from the E chord family. We're going to be using the E chord, the A2 chord, and we want to play the A2 with our 3rd and 4th finger because that's going to allow us to slide up to the next 2 chords without having to move our 3rd and 4th finger from those strings. Okay, they're just going to need to move frets, but it makes the transition a lot easier. So we're going to go from A2 to B suspended. And when we play the B suspended, it helps to put your thumb against the back of your guitar instead of holding it, in the crook of your hand here. To get your thumb against the back, that way you can get your hand, especially this finger, away from the high E string so it doesn't mute it. And then we're going to go from that B here. This is the C sharp minor, which also shows up in this song. And then from the C sharp minor, if we take this finger and drop it down 2 strings, and then take these 2 fingers and move them up each a string, that's going to be our G sharp minor, which also shows up in this song. For the strum pattern, we're going to be using the folk pattern, which is a nice, easy 4-beat strum pattern. We're going to have 4 down strums with up strums added after beat 3 and 4. And we want to make sure that we put our emphasis on beat 2 and 4, so every other beat. And on beat 1, we want to make sure that we're plucking just one note. We're going to pluck the root note of the chord on that first beat of every measure. Okay, so let me just play my E chord for you, and I'm going to show you what I mean. So if I play my E chord, my root note for the E chord is that E string. Okay, so on beat 1, I just want to hit that string by itself. Okay, so we're going to have 1, and then 2 is going to be my hard strum, my heaviest strum. 1, 2, and then we have 3 and 4 and. Okay, so we have an up strum after 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. If it helps when you're trying to learn this strum pattern, you can count it out like that and just practice it while you're counting it out loud instead of trying to practice it while singing, because the melody is going to be different from the strum pattern and that could throw you off. So just practice the strum pattern while counting out the beats like I just did, and it's going to help you to focus just on that strum pattern and to master it before you then try to add a melody on top of it. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.